The courtroom felt tense. Michael Jordan stood ready to speak. Racing bosses sat and watched. The rules of the sport were on trial. Every word could change racing in a big way. The trial started on December 1st, 2025. Michael Jordan's team, 23XI Racing and Front Row Motorsports, said NASCAR broke antitrust laws. On December 5th, 2025, Michael Jordan said he put $40 million into his racing team. He also said he paid $28 million for a third charter in late 2024, even though no one knew what would happen to the charter system. In September 2024, NASCAR gave teams a 112-page charter deal. Teams had only 6 hours to sign before midnight. 23XI and Front Row did not sign it. On December 5th, 2025, Michael Jordan also explained why he spoke out. He said many other owners tried for years to make things better. Front Row owner Bob Jenkins said he felt honestly very hurt by the deal. He said owners did not feel safe signing it, but many felt pushed because of the deadline. Since they did not sign, both teams lost their charters. In June 2025, a court removed the order that had protected their charters. Now they race as open teams. Open teams do not get guaranteed race spots and get less money, Michael Jordan said. The thing I'm hoping for is you create more of a partnership between two entities. If that's the case, it becomes a more valuable business. If you can ever compromise on the things that matter, you can grow your business. He shared that team owners want a stronger voice in the future of the sport. Jordan believes working together would help teams in NASCAR. He then said, if you share responsibility, the healthiness of the sport can grow. It needed to be looked at from a whole different perspective. That's why we're here. Jordan talked about his experience listening to other owners and how they struggled to make change for years. Jordan also said, I sat in those meetings with longtime owners who were browbeaten for so many years trying to make change. I was a new person. I wasn't afraid. I felt I could challenge NASCAR as a whole. I felt as far as the sport, it needed to be looked at from a different view. He added, someone had to step forward to challenge NASCAR. I'm not afraid. Denny Hamlin, who owns the team with Jordan, said it costs $20 million to run one car for a whole season. That does not include extra costs or driver pay. He said they paid $46.2 million for 3 charters. The team said the charter system gives NASCAR too much control. Charters can be taken away, and teams do not control costs or suppliers. The team said NASCAR controls too much, like racetracks, car parts, and who gets to race. They say this hurts teams. NASCAR said they did not do anything wrong. NASCAR said the charter system is good and gives teams money and race spots. NASCAR said the teams are trying to change a deal that 13 other teams already signed. In October 2025, a court threw out NASCAR's counterclaim against 23XI and Front Row. Additional testimony earlier in the week included statements from Heather Gibbs of Joe Gibbs Racing. She described the proposed charter deadline as like a gun to the head, explaining that the timeline and pressure left teams without a fair choice. The trial is still going in December 2025. The ruling may change how NASCAR racing works in the future. More updates are coming soon. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it, and write your thoughts in the comments below.